Hello, this is Andy from Walt Motor Company in Newbury, and welcome to the sale of this 1985 B registered Mercedes-Benz 280 CE. So obviously 2.8, 2.7 something, 2.8cc coupe, automatic, finished in metallic blue with blue cloth interior. This is a UK car and has quite a lot of provenance behind it, as I'll explain. The car was subject to a full restoration at W123 World about 10 years ago and was actually exhibited at Brooklands Museum, the only W123 they exhibited. While it was at Brooklands, it was photographed with Concorde, and this car featured in the W123 World book that Mark Kosovich wrote. The photo of it with Concorde we used in part of our marketing, so that is the car, this car. It subsequently spent the following 10 years with a nice guy who's a W123 fanatic. He traded it in with us for a saloon model because he wanted to get friends in the back and go to the golf club, etc. And the car then revisited W123 World and has been fully recommissioned again. So this car is very close, if not concourse standard, and absolutely exceptional in every way. Drives exactly as it should. And you wait till you see the engine bay and the details. The car is absolutely lovely. Starting with the driver's door card, absolutely lovely condition. Let's show you in the door shuts. Absolutely perfect. Down the door edges and underneath. Absolutely lovely order throughout, I have to say. Extremely nice. Car does have the sunroof. No grot at all. Extremely nice condition. Into the boot area, lovely clean and tidy. And let's just show under the floor. Let's lift up the carpet. Amazing. The boot lid. Absolutely lovely. Let's have a little look under the bonnet. Probably, if not one of, certainly, the cleanest engine bay I've ever seen. 1985. Absolutely super condition. Let's have a look at the bonnet soundproofing. And up on the inside of the bonnet. The car's magnificent. Starting away around the bodywork with the near side front corner, all looks to be in lovely condition. Try and show you a little bit of in the wheel arches. It's as good underneath as it is on top. Mexican hat alloys, tyres all in good condition too. No dinks, dents or scratches along the passenger side. Try and just show you a bit in there. Lovely. Absolutely gorgeous car. trying to look for things to fault it on. An original, a 1985 car. Absolutely. This hasn't been painted, this car. This is the original paint. Absolutely gorgeous. The Kosovich boys have done a wonderful job, well, 10 years ago, and again recommissioning it recently in 2022. Beautiful car. So there we go, 1985 280 CE automatic. The video is just to give you a flavour and try and show you the quality of the car. I'm sure you're going to want to come and see it. It is absolutely lovely. I can assure you that there certainly aren't many in this sort of condition, certainly UK cars. It's absolutely outstanding. If you'd like to come and see her, she's in Newbury in Berkshire, do give me a ring. My name's Andy on 07786 742 422. Thanks for watching the videos. Do like and subscribe.